I do not chase, I attract. I'm creating a life of love and abundance. Everything I need is within me. I am always guided toward my purpose. I claim my power.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know many of you are on my Facebook, so you have already seen it, but do check out the description below to see the information about my new Herbalife online recipe group for lifetime, where I will be continuously adding all of my recipes. So let's start with some Valentine's Day oatmeal. You saw me use the old-fashioned. You can use old-fashioned or instant. I highly suggest instant, but my husband loves old-fashioned, so that's what we have in the house. You're just going to use 1/4 of a cup, and then with that same 1/4 cup, I'm going to fill it up with water, boiling hot water, 2 times, and I'm going to mix in that 1/4 cup of the oats and 2 of the 1/4 cups of boiling hot water, and you're just going to mix it together and then literally just put anything on the top to cover it. You see me using a styrofoam plate because it is old-fashioned oats. I put 5 to 10 minutes on there. If you're using instant oats, you can literally just put it on there for 3 to 5 minutes and it'll be done. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of mix it up a little bit, and then I will add in whatever flavor I'm using. So with this recipe, it's one of my favorites. It's so basic, but one of my favorites. It's just vanilla protein drink mix, and you're going to put 2 scoops. Now I am going to throw in a little extra recipe in here. Honestly, today I used chocolate PDM, and I put the new chocolate coconut oatmeal in there, and oh my gosh, with a little bit of almond extract, and it was like an almond joy with some coconut flakes on top and all that great stuff. But anyways, back to this recipe. I am using French vanilla, and I'm just going to put 2 scoops in there, just like you would your shake. You're going to use 2 scoops of protein and 2 scoops of Formula 1. So just dump that right in there. And now this part is very important because it depends on how you like your oatmeal. If you like it dry, go ahead and mix it up in there and, have it like clumpy. But me, I love my oatmeal like a cereal. So as you can see, I added extra water. Now the water is still very hot. I used my electric kettle, and I put enough water to where the texture of my oatmeal is just like the way you see it. If you don't like it thick like that, then obviously use less water at the end. But right here, this is just for my purposes. I actually transfer the bowl because I just like my food to look pretty. I don't know, maybe I'm just extra, I don't know, but I transfer the food that I just made into another bowl. So if you're in a club, a lot of people serve it in cups so that their customers can eat it on the go, or they can put it in those little like fruit cups. People use fruit cups a lot. But like I said, if anything works, just when I was breastfeeding, I used to make this and put it in a cup and eat it while I was breastfeeding. So anything works. I'm just being extra, especially in the video, and I just transferred it into a bowl. So now I'm going to add some freshly cut strawberries on the side. Again, this is just a very basic Valentine's Day type oatmeal bowl. All you really have to do is just change the different Formula 1s. But if you guys want more advanced oatmeal bowl recipes, let me know in the comments, and I can definitely do that for you. In my recipe book, I will have all kind of oatmeal bowls with just this basic recipe as a reference to kind of just explain how to make an oatmeal bowl. But all the different combinations you can make to make different type of flavors, kind of like I mentioned the almond joy one. All those recipes will be typed out inside of my recipe book with easy search, so you can literally just type Formula 1 and this recipe will come up. Or if you just type in the hashtags oatmeal, all the oatmeal recipes will pop up. So that's just kind of a gist of what I have in the works. So Right now it's on sale for $25 just because it's not built up yet. I'm honestly taking a lot of payments and approving and verifying payments. So I'm going to get to work very hard this week on adding the recipes. So that is why it is on sale right now for $25. But the $25 lifetime fee is going to be raised. So if you do think about buying my recipe book, purchase it now while it's $25. It's not going to last forever. February 1st, the price will go up. So now I am adding, you saw me use the sugar-free Hershey's chocolate and a little bit of sugar-free whipped cream. And now I'm just adding a little bit of Valentine's Day sprinkles just to, spice it up for Valentine's Day. So this is a very basic oatmeal recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you like it. And check the description below to this video if you do on purchasing my lifetime membership recipe book online so I can always add to it. Love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.